Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Veloster key battery. Only ways. Use a small flat screwdriver to pry open the seam of the key fob at the designated notch and separate the halves gently. Remove the old battery by sliding it out, noting its orientation. Clean the battery contacts briefly with a dry cloth. Insert the new CR 2032 battery with the same orientation, then snap the fob halves back together securely. Start by removing any hidden key blade or cover if your fob has one, then find the small notch along the seam. Insert a flat screwdriver slowly and apply steady, gentle pressure to pop the case open without forcing it. Work your way around the seam if needed until the halves come apart easily. Keep track of any small plastic tabs or springs so reassembly will be smooth and worry-free. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for hands-free instructions and music while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals to make your garage time better. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the case open, observe the battery orientation and remove the old CR 2032 cell by sliding it out from under the retaining clip. Handle the new battery with clean hands or gloves and seat it under the clip with the correct polarity facing up. Press each button once to confirm the LED or function responds, then align the case halves and press them together until you hear the clicks that indicate a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.